Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. We're in the year 2026. It's your girl Crystal and I'm back with a new video to start off the year. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these curls and this definition in my hair after having not so much of a smooth situation going on with my hair. It's a knotted mess and I needed to not just wash it but really attend to it and like detangle and get it back to how it regularly looks. So if you want to see how your girl is going to unknot her hair, detangle it using not a detangler, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel if you're not subscribed as yet. I do a bunch of different content on a lot of different things to help you out on making your life a little easier when it comes to beauty, skincare, lifestyle, and a bunch of other things. So if you're interested in that type of content, I would highly suggest that you subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. My hair is a knotted mess and I have somewhere to go in like 2 hours, and I need to try to figure out how to take all the knots out of my hair. Now before I show you guys, this is a result of me taking out my weave, which I did like maybe a month or so ago, a little towards the end of last year. Then I started wearing my hair in a bun consistently, like every single day. It was getting loaded up with gel and edge control. I was basically combing it the same way every single day. So my hair kind of gets a little bit of stiffness. So this is a result of all of that. And right now it's like knotted in the middle. And now I want to curl it and put it down. And I have to kind of get rid of the knots. So this is what it's looking like. Your girl is literally getting grays. It's like, it's crazy. The ends of it is good, like it's soft and everything, but if you look like right here, you see this? It's like a patch. Look, it's a patch here. There's another patch right here. So I need to try to get rid of all these knots so my hair can be a little more loose, so I can get myself together to go where I need to go today. It's gonna be a challenge because I don't have any detanglers. All I have are shampoo and conditioners. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try. I don't know if you guys remember my video using the soapbox shampoo and conditioner. I definitely have more conditioner than I have shampoo at this point. So it's kind of a good thing because conditioner is kind of good at softening the hair. So I'm gonna try my best to do that, to soften it up a little bit with the conditioner and see if we can get the knots out. I'm gonna shampoo and then I'll come back when it's time to condition.
Hi.
Almost forgot for a second that I was supposed to show you guys my conditioning and detangling. So I put some conditioner in here, as you can see. This was the least knotted one, I would say. So it's kind of loosening up a lot because at this point, as you can see, look, my hands can't really go through it. So I like this brush a lot more than I like this one for detangling. Like this one, if my hair is like not as knotted and I just kind of want to brush through it, you know, then I would use this one. But when it comes down to like really detangling and getting down in there and really get into that knotted problem, like I would use this one. It's just way more sturdy and it just gets the job done in a pretty fast manner, I would say. So as you can see, some of it is like knot it like this. Try to like just pass my fingers through as much as I can. But like I said, this was like an easy one. This one, see, like right now everything's kind of, the moment I can put my fingers to it, then we have succeeded. See, there you go. So this one is detangled, but the rest of my hair, let me tell you, you haven't seen the worst of it yet. I don't even know if I have enough conditioner to even detangle all of my hair, but I'm gonna try to make it happen. I always say like I'm not gonna get myself into this situation again with getting my hair all like tangled like this. It's kind of hard to, it's not hard to prevent, but like on days where I'm in a rush and I just want to throw my hair up in a bun. The problem is the edge control and the gel, as much as it is good in getting your hair together, too much of it can get your hair in a lot of problems too. Because you know I'm not a hair person, definitely not, but I do what I gotta do to keep it looking presentable. So this part is practically done, so I'm just gonna like always twist it out and then leave it like that so I know which section is done. We have a long way to go. This section right here, this whole section here is knotted, so let's do that section and then I work my way up. I had to put the bottle upside down because that's when you know you're like running out of product, when you have to put the bottle upside down. Disrespectful. Gonna try to drench it as much as I can in the conditioner and get it all in there. And then of course, you know, you want to start from the ends and then work your way. I have this thing that I do where I kind of just like pass it through just to get the brush in there, right? And then you can kind of sort of tell where to work your way after a while because it starts loosening up. I know I'm gonna have a lot of shedding, like a lot of shedding. It's good to like sort of maintain your hair on a constant regular basis so you don't get a lot of breakage, you don't get a lot of knots. For me, it's a lot, it's very time consuming and I'm like really bad with it, but I know it's something that I have to work on. The conditioner for the most part is doing really good. I haven't really tried a lot of detanglers. The only one I really remember is the Kinky Curly Knot Today, which was one of my favorites. So we have one side done. We have this whole other side that needs to get done as well. So it's gonna take some time. So I'm gonna finish this off camera and then I will come back once all of my hair is done. This is my hair, completely untangled. This took a lot. I will say there was a piece right here, like this section right here in the middle here was the most knotted out of my entire head. Hurt the most too. So right now everything is untangled, so I'm just going to rinse, like just going to show you guys real quick. So it's going through here, going through here, going through here, going through the back, even though I still feel one spot here actually, right here somewhere up top. Just a little knot somewhere back here. I think I got it. Alright, so here, 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 and here in the front. So everything's untangled. Gonna rinse this out and then see what I can put in it to style it. So yeah, but that'll be a whole other video. I just wanted to show you guys show you guys what I do to detangle my hair when I'm in a jam. So if you don't have a detangler, you can use a conditioner. Granted, all conditioners are not equal, they're not the same. This one is a pretty affordable conditioner, so it's not even one of those high-end type of conditioners that you would find in terms of formulated for curly hair, and it did the job. So I'm pretty sure most conditioners will do it. As long as it's like moisturizing and it's thick, it will help you get through those knots pretty easily. So I'm super happy I finally was able to do this, because I was dreading this for a few days already. So now my hair is detangled. Now I can curl it and wear it out like this, but I'm gonna try my best to maintain it so that way we don't get into this knot situation all over again. So hopefully this helped you a little bit. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to your girl's channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. I do a bunch of different videos that gives you a lot of good information on a lot of things that you need in terms of hair care, beauty, lifestyle, and a bunch of other things. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
Bye.